Welcome back to another episode of Prado 150 out of here. Well, this episode leads us to us departing Lucky Bay, but not before a few fun and shenanigans with Ruben and his family from DMW.
Get in.
G'day folks. Well, we have a sour pickle and a hot mama pickle. Now, I've been convinced by our resident Kirkles that this is going to be a fantastic little challenge. Now, which one do we do first?
Hot mama. Sour pickle.
Hot mama, because
Hot
then
mama.
we can drink it down with the sour pickle.
All right.
Chug.
All on the table. Oh, look at it. It landed straight on the back of your throat, did it?
Yeah, just get the excess juice off. Nah, that's not for me.
Actually, no, that doesn't smell too bad.
Yeah, right, eh? Close your eyes. Out of me.
You know the TikTok trend?
Hey, Aiden.
Oh.
What do you reckon?
Oh. Bit hot.
Who's going to drink the remaining juice?
Yeah,
Shut up!
Shut not.
Shut up!
Shut not. You are. I said shut not.
Not me.
Dad, not it. Basically. Dad was the last one to say you shot not. He hasn't even said it yet. Wait, no.
the rest.
How about Magic Mike drinks it?
Oh yeah, Magic Mike, you come right
Magic
here,
Mike.
mate. And
Come
he
on,
needs to
Magic
Magic Mike.
Mike.
Magic Mike.
Magic Mike.
Magic
You want
Mike.
Magic Mike.
Magic Mike. Magic Mike.
I'm trying to hold you on the
Magic
camera.
Mike. Magic
Yeah,
Mike.
come
Yeah.
on, Come on, yeah.
So, old Magic Mike, come and
What are we
taste
in for,
hot
Hannah?
mama's spicy
This is what
pickle
we're in
juice.
Well,
for.
if you don't like
Yeah.
spicy,
Drink it and then eat it.
Yeah.
Spicy.
the juice, it's...
Yeah, come on, mate.
Well, you got
So are you gonna
all
skull the whole lot?
Don't steal on me.
Wait on.
Just shot.
He's gonna skull it!
He's gonna
He's
He's
going
the
for it.
Mickham, he's Jubilee, he's a stuff through and through.
You gotta try the pickle?
Oh.
You gotta try the pickle.
Okay, how did I get behind the camera and then up here?
Well, you gotta try it.
The
All right.
pickle's actually really
I'll take one for the team. I'll drink the juice,
It's a
alright?
funny looking shape though.
Want a
now,
cup with that or straight out of there?
isn't it?
He ate from the other end.
You did?
I got the other end.
I'll have the rest of the
Actually,
pickle,
the
Dad.
pickle itself is not too
Yeah,
bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, Dad,
Juice, I wouldn't go to the juice. Oh.
Alright, you can have the rest of the pickle.
Maybe just tip the rest out. You're gonna be sick. No, he started it now.
Gives you the heebie-jeebies.
Yeah!
Holy dooly.
Is it spicy for you?
The juice
Yeah.
is where it's at, folks.
Yeah.
The pickle. Now,
Did you eat the rest of it?
No.
you eating it?
Chloe.
I prefer the hot and spicy one. But that one,
Is it actually sour?
I'm sorry to disappoint you, folks. I actually could eat both of those.
Except the juice.
Have a look at it.
Hey, look, it's fat free, low calorie, low carb, and gluten free. How
Look at
good's that?
that.
Hot chocolate is usually
Yeah, we'll come back.
Ready to go, rock and roll.
This is Casey. How are you, Casey?
Good, how are you?
Did you have a good night's sleep or what?
I did actually last night.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
It's always a shame to get up so early, isn't it?
Well, yes, I was very comfortable in my bed.
Yeah, I know. Especially when it's cold.
Yeah, I know. It was freezing this morning.
We were all in bed really early last night. I couldn't believe it.
Oh my God! What
I don't think it was even 8 o'clock.
It was 7:30 something. Yeah.
I've got something to play you. This is really funny.
Oh, really?
Jason. All right. I'm just going to find it. Hold on. Because we discovered this lady last night already. Hold on. DMW, this is for you, mate. I have met DMW. This is DMW, the real one.
Supposed to say.
What's your name?
My name is Tyre Marie West.
There you go, Di Marine West. She's the real deal, DMW. So you pinched her initials, I reckon, Ruben. Okay. So here we go. We're just trekking around while you're asleep, mate, and we've come across these wonderful people here. They're still out on the town tonight, having a few drinks, and we've just gone past. And this is the DMW Reel.
I am.
There you go. What do you reckon about that?
Wow! Did you do that last night?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Jim and I went for a little wander, to catch up with it, and we found these people, because one of them yells out, "Oh, you're the ones that always go, good morning." And we stopped and went, and we had a bit of a chat.
See, you just good morning's going to end up being
the thing
viral
with these
now.
people. Yeah, that's right. Good morning when it's in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Don't get it caught.
Another inch. Work.
G'day, mate. You a gas pump off, mate? Morning, mate.
How are you, mate?
Not too bad.
Checking tyre pressures and all the rest and stuff. Ready to go. How about you?
Mate, I'm just about ready. Just waiting on the young ones.
Ah.
This wax on. Yeah.
So, coffee time after we pack up, isn't it?
I think somewhere.
Oh, somewhere.
Yeah. Are you saying you want me to make you a coffee? Or?
No, I'm saying
Somewhere.
I didn't make myself coffee first up. Packed up.
That's why I got up early.
I've got hooked up, then I'm going to make myself coffee while I wait for everyone else.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we've had to leave Lucky Bay, and we are now heading to Ravensthorpe, to Ravy Country Kitchen, to grab ourselves a pie.
That's messy.
Look at this. Mac and cheese on a brisket pie. Oh, yummy, yum.
Nice.
I love cheese and pies.
What's your one? Mine's going to come apart in a minute.
Bacon, beef, cheese pie.
Ooh. What do you got, Casey?
I got a beef and mushroom pie, and it's yum.
Ham, cheese and bacon.
Oh, yeah. Hayden's got a brisket and, what is it?
Cheese, jalapeno.
And jalapeno.
Jalapeno. You tasting the jalapenos, Hayden?
But
Chloe, she's just waiting on
What did you get, mate?
toast sandwich.
Pepper.
But she wishes she got a pie, though.
Because she could actually cook everything for all those people. She actually did a really good job.
I just rocked up to Ravensthorpe for a bit of a feed. There's a mountain of people in this cafe. Yeah, so there's only 2 people running.
Wait to eat it.
Oh, goodness me.
Right, taste the
Well, look at this, guys. We're in Ravensthorpe, just pulled over for a quick bite to eat. Check this place out. The lolly shop here, across the road from the Ravy Country Kitchen. I think they were run off their feet with all of us in there today. Look at that. So we're just on the eve of Anzac Day, and we're just having a little break. We're going to get to Albany, and we're already going, we've decided. Yeah, Josh got it.
Oh, I did.
Going for the dawn service tomorrow, so we're going to be there at 5:30, and then we're cruising back to Perth. But look at this place. My coffee cup down. Show you guys. Look at this. Extraordinary for a little town. Look at this. Really? Is that yours? Just put it in the house. Do you have your place? No. Look at my jar. This shop.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness me. You like lollies? This is the place to be. Look at this. Yes. Can you believe this? What are you doing, Josh?
Oh yeah, just filling a little bag
I
up.
mean, Josh is like living it up here.
Yeah, it's only
You're going to be on high tonight.
you gotta
You're like sugar.
have a few, mate. Like, they gotta.
You get a bag. Oh, these. Oh. Far out. Look at that.
Yeah, couple
Oh.
sour worms.
Yeah. No, you can have them.
Thank you very much.
Look at you, you're in heaven. Oh my goodness. Check it out.
No, that's not mine.
No, it's good.
Righto.
Even Ruben's into it.
What did you get?
How much is that weigh?
$8.70. $3.10.
Oh yeah.
How awesome is this shop, Kirk?
Oh, mate, it's like a kid's candy store. It's like, fantastic. Like, that's probably one of the biggest lollipops I've seen, except for the one out the front there. But yeah, look, they got everything.
I just got a couple goodies to get me going.
Get you going.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
We better get out of here.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Yep, thank you.
You better say you too, but she's not.
Delicious candy. I've got coffee and I've got lots of candy. How mad is this? Make sure you stop here when you come through Ravensthorpe, WA.
Oh, shit.
You didn't want any lollies? Huh? You didn't want any lollies? No, we didn't get any, that's all.
I've got yummy delicious in WA. Have you seen the size of my freckle? Can I do?
Yeah,
Can I do one like?
Yeah.
I can't wait to lick my lollipop.
Yeah, put your thing there. Oi, give me your back. There you go.
Well, we're going to get going, but I'm just going to go buy Chloe one big massive freckle. Come on through. Where's your freckles?
Just stop there.
Through here.
On the top shelf.
Top shelf.
On your left.
Oh, here we go. Shot freckle, I love you. Oh, she can have an I love you. There we go. Buy that for Chloe. All right. Have that one, please.
All right, certainly. Okay. And you need to say?
No, it's all good. Thank you very much.
All done.
And just going to give it to Chloe.
Chloe, where's Chloe? There you are.
Thank you.
I love you.
Oh, you get to show off the size of your freckle too.
Yeah.
Mine's got the same.
Come on, mummy.
Yes.
Wait on, let it go. Let it go. I'm just gonna do. Which camera you want, Kirk?
Yeah, come on,
I
Mum.
thought everybody was going to get in the photo.
We're coming.
All short people up the back here. Maybe do one like that and one without the lollipop.
Alright.
Well, maybe just get a little bit of it in. Oh, you still be shorts there.
That's a good sign.
Over this side. Oh, okay. You be with. Eat your freckles.
All right, is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Say chickies.
Ah, what about lollies?
No, do you want a bit smaller just to have you guys?
Yeah. No, and the sign. Got to have the sign.
I've definitely got the sign in that one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go a little bit closer.
Lolly!
Alright, guys, there you go.
Cheers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Keep enjoying the rest of your day.
We will.
Thank you very much.
Don't eat too much.
That is probably the best advice.
Don't eat them.
Don't eat it too. Don't eat too much.
Oh no, so we're heading straight back down this way and left at the round.